Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Abhilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, during the US session, we saw a good amount of correction on the chart of DXY, US dollar currency index. So as a result, we also saw good recovery on Euro USD, GBP USD and others. DXY made a high of 104.65, and after that the event took place. There was massive selling and DXY ultimately closed at 103.88. This is the last traded price of DXY. So the market opening will be very important for DXY, because if you look at the news, you can see dollar slips as market eyes upcoming Fed action, and the action is on Thursday. On Thursday, 23rd Feb, you can see FOMC meeting minutes. So market will be slow for 1 or 2 days before the news. Again, we will see extreme volatility after Fed FOMC meeting. So yes, okay. So this week will also, or the coming week also, be full of action, I believe. So market opening will be very important. If market or DXY starts falling after the market opening, then the next important support will be 103.62. This is the first support on DXY if the selling continues on DXY. Okay, and in case the selling is too high, and if market breaks 103.62, then the next support will be 103.38. This is the second support on DXY. So these two are the support levels on the chart of DXY if market starts falling. The market will be very important, because see, if the selling continues, then obviously DXY's uptrend will be over, the uprun will be over, and we will see market going down again, because we should not forget that the overall trend of DXY is still very much bearish. Right now we can see market is trying to recover, but the overall trend we cannot ignore, isn't it? So as a result, the market opening will be very important. And in case market shows an upside or market shows recovery after the market opening, then we'll get the confirmation that okay, DXY is going up again, things are back to normal. Okay, the next big resistance on DXY is 105.50. Clear? Now let's talk about Euro USD. So Euro USD closed at 1.0694. This is the last traded price of Euro USD. And to be honest, I was hoping that I would get a selling opportunity around 1.0670. But when I saw that DXY is going down with massive red candles, I got the idea that no, it would be very foolish to take a sell position on Euro USD, and I didn't do anything. Okay. So on the chart of Euro USD, we have a high risk selling opportunity, okay, around the 50 moving average. Why? Because let me show you. You can see whenever market was trying to go up, 50 moving average acted as a dynamic resistance for the market. So after the market opening, if market reverses from the 50 moving average, you can look for a quick sell. But again, I'm saying this is a high risk sell, okay, and the level will be around 1.0709 or 1.0710, around this level. If market reverses, you can look for a quick selling opportunity, and the expected number of pips, or you can expect around 25 to 30 pips. Okay, because usually we do not see huge volatility in the market, so as a result 25-30 pips you can expect from the market. But beginners, new traders, those who have less capital, you should avoid trading in these levels. Okay, so you should avoid. If you have the experience, then you can go for it. If you know risk management, then you can go for it. Otherwise, just avoid taking any sell opportunities around this level. Personally, I'll also avoid, because you can see I have a long watch list. Okay, so I only prefer to trade on levels that I understand properly. Before we proceed further, I would like to mention about Chart Prime, who have sponsored the today's video. Those who want to generate their own buy and sell signals, please watch the video carefully, because Chart Prime is one of the best custom indicator service in the trading world right now. With the tools available in Chart Prime, you can not only generate buy and sell signals, you can also use these tools in your analysis for additional confirmation. They also have a trading community on Discord where they post regular trading ideas. Trust me guys, I have been using Chart Prime for a couple of months and their service is really awesome. If you really want to know how these indicators work, you can just go to their website chartprime.com and just go to the tutorial section. You will see the functioning of these indicators. Okay, my dear friends, as we are traders, we believe in probability. So I won't say that these indicators are 100% accurate, but with proper risk management, you can definitely make some money. Let me show you. This is the 50-minute chart of gold. You can see the signals generated by Chart Prime. Okay, see possible reversal down. See, it means that we need to take a sell position here. Possible reversal up means we need to go for a buy position. Possible reversal down means we need to go for a sell position. If not trend reversal, at least you can expect 40-50 pips on daily basis with the help of the software. But yes, the tool also generates false signals sometimes because 100% accuracy is not possible, as we all know. But yes, the accuracy is certainly very good. Along with the buy and sell signals, you can also see that they have an oscillator where they also provide the overbought, oversold, divergences and many other things. Just watch the tutorial, you will know all the things. You can just go with the 1 month subscription and just try out the product yourself. I'm very much sure that you will love the product. And my dear friends, if you use the link in the description below, you'll also get 30% discount. You may also scan the QR code available on the screen for faster registration. Check them out. Okay. Secondly, if market breaks this level, okay, in case the upside continues, if you see that DXY is falling after the market opening, then your next resistance will be the 200 moving average. The 200 moving average, and you can also see the 100 moving average is also coming down. So around 1.0775, okay, around 1.0775 to 1.0780, we have the next resistance on the chart of EURUSD, and the third resistance is on around 1.0800 because of previous strong price rejection around this area. So these three are the resistances on the chart of EURUSD right now. The first resistance is the 50 moving average, 1.070908 level, but that is very risky, unreliable. Okay, but still it's my duty to mention, so I just mentioned it. The second resistance on the chart of EURUSD is around 1.0775 to 1.0780 because of the 200 moving average and the 100 moving average. This looks like a more or less reliable selling opportunity level. If market goes up and reverses, you can obviously look for a sell position. And the third is around 1.0800 because of price rejection around this area. Okay. And previously the same level also acted as the support. So support is equal to resistance and previous price rejection. So if you want to avoid the 4-hour chart, you can easily avoid. Okay, simply move to the 1-hour chart, 1-hour time frame, and see the functioning of the market. If you see market is struggling around this area, if you see market is forming shooting star kind of a pattern, okay, market is showing good price rejection from above, you can definitely go for a sell position with proper risk management. Okay, and the support levels that I have mentioned in my previous videos are still the same. The best support levels on the chart of EURUSD are 1.0580 and 1.0500 to 1.0480 level. In case market starts falling, and or if market continues the present trend, and the present trend is bearish, then we can expect the market to bounce from 1.0580. 1.0580 is a level from the weekly chart. If not a trend reversal, at least we can expect a 40-50 pips bounce from the level here. If market bounces, we can go for a buy position. And ultimately, the ultimate support or the strongest support on the chart of EURUSD is around 1.0500 to 1.0480. This is a support zone in the market, and this is also the strongest support because of strong price rejection around this area in the past. So if market bounces from the support levels, you can go for a buy position. If not a trend reversal, 40-50 pips. Okay, so these are the levels that I see on the chart of Euro USD. If I have missed anything, please write down in the comment section. I would love to learn from you. Bye bye, take care. And do not gamble with your hard-earned money. As I always say, capital protection should be your first priority always. Do not chase the market. Let the price come to you. Bye bye.